How to fix Barclays Bank app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in the app name, Barclays Bank, and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're gonna see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Now scroll down. Navigate to the option of General. Now click on the option of iPhone storage. Over here, you're going to find different apps that are installed in a device. Find the app Barclays. After you find it, open it. Then click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the solution doesn't work for you, you can apply solution 3. That is, you'll need to completely delete this app from a device and reinstall it. To do that, click on the option of Delete app. With that, you're gonna get the pop-up. Click on Delete app. And just with that, app will be deleted from your device. Then you can launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Barclays. After app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Barclays Bank app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.